Yeah, I'll start by appreciating all man wey dey share my content. Ma call and say our content. Yeah, I appreciate all man wey dey take time for share, dey take time for comment, dey take time for like the video the way it dey be post by us, AmTV. But as far as this channel be concerned, I wan make some few disclaimers wey e be like I don't know how term am. E be like some people dey confuse as I dey use this video then for this girl to join am together. Some people dey confuse if I be one of them. I don't know if they confuse the check say me I be one of whether na wait belong for who side or belong for who side. I wan make this disclaimer now under this channel AmTV. Say if it be say you dey under my channel, both Facebook and YouTube, if you dey under my channel and you check say dey so my channel na for preach hate, or my channel na for the curse people, or my channel na for the maybe they promote some kind useless kind attitude or behavior, then I go boldly tell you say this, so you are at the wrong place. Yeah, if you feel say you become for here and I can hear curse, or you come for here and I can hear gossip, or you come for here and can hear how they put people into depression, then I go tell you say you there for the wrong place. Yeah, why I did make this disclaimer? A lot of reasons why I did make this disclaimer here today. Yeah, so I want to make you wait there under my channel, both Facebook and YouTube. If you feel say this, so you come for here and I can't get hate, for can spread hate, or if you say this channel na channel where it spread hate, or it cause people there, it put people them into depression, then you there for the wrong place. So I could advise me quietly go for the unfollow button, go unfollow AmTV. If you be say you feel say you come for here now for that, then quietly just go unfollow AmTV, then go for your YouTube, go unsubscribe for AmTV the same. Yes, I make this disclaimer for here and today. This is not where they spread hate. We need to talk hate for here. We need to cause people there for here, and we need to spread division for here. Wait till we try for do for under this channel now for make people they laugh, smile, and forget their sorrows. So if you don't get a very difficult day, if you don't get a very bad day, you check say, oh, I'll relieve my stress. You just come for AmTV. I believe so you didn't have the right place. Yes, my channel no be for spread hate, division and for the cause people, then they make people they feel more pains and depression. This is not where you belong. If you feel say you come for here or you come follow this channel now for the year na gossip, for the kind year na bad news them, how they insult people them, then I believe say you didn't have the wrong place. This is not gossip vlogging. I don't do gossip vlogging here. What I do here is comedy, pure comedy, and nothing attached to that. I make it very clear today under this channel or under this page. This is not where they spread hate. We don't spread hate here. Yeah, because I don't see like say some of these girls them, I don't know what I say now something will be spiritual. Everything about some of them na just hate, and I don't know whether na witchcraft or na which I don't understand. For a man will call and say malediction. I don't know. Yes, everything around some people, their mind are just negativity. I don't know whether for 1 minute we Cameroonians especially Anglophone Cameroonians we see one positive thing for something. If we see something so attach positivity for that thing, I don't know whether we Cameroonians or we actually do so. The thing they pass me. The thing they pass me. I don't know whether we Cameroonians if we actually see something, so we will not check them in the negative side. Yes. I don't know whether we go really she done on them, so we go really check, we go really see something, so we check say wow, this thing is nice, this thing nice. We check it all na for positive side. Everything we want always put meaning for everything. We want always put meaning for everything we do. Yes, so now why that I come today particularly for make any man with it under my channel or under my page. If you feel say you can't hear never can listen to gossip, or if you feel say you can't hear never can hear na coach, how they coach people then just quietly bundle yourself. You will get plenty channel the way if you go watch that thing every day. You get plenty for would it just take now, would it just make fun, now just fun with the cash and for nothing attached to any person, no group, no camp, nothing for this channel. Okay, why I can't talk today so? Yes, why I can't talk this thing today so? A lot of reason there why I can't talk so today. A lot of reason there. And I go make a more understand some of those reasons them why I can't make this disclaimer. Last live video where I be doing where I be trying to make some few points and clear about some certain people the way they use them for my video. Yeah, and the live video see they under this channel or under this page. If you be so you never yet watch them, hurry up, go watch them. Yeah, I become for here the last time I made a video about the people the way I use them for my video. Say this, so some of these people actually I not be friend with them, but I just actually see their behavior or see their videos them. I feel like say this, so man really chip in ways I feel chip in for boost up our own entertainment industry. Now why that I come up with this cutting video, I believe say I never see them with any of us Anglophone, but with the Francophone people that I don't see them plenty where they do them. Yes, I don't see them plenty where they do them. So I choose for really do them for we Anglophones them because some of us will really get problem for language. Yes, so I choose for make them for a pure pidgin. Now why that way I go for this particular set of girls and so because they didn't make their content now for pidgin way almost every of we for our Anglophone section if we understand. Yes, because pidgin a language where they grow or we will grow inside. So now whether I choose at times I even want the switch go for the English. So at times I want the switch go for French, but I know say this on my base na pidgin. And I always want for look na people the way they talk that pidgin, the real pidgin, so that I could really take and can entertain una. Una could really feel relaxed and consuming the video. Now I become for I can mention the fact say this so me I use I'll still go back for this girl channel travel with Grandive. I'll still go back for that because now from there way some of I don't know whether some people they are bad belly. I don't really know. I become for here can make a statement say actually, I be step on travel with Grandive. That Dive Sheila a video. I never actually see any video for the way it coach people them. I don't see the whole media don't chakara. The whole media don't chakara say I never see that one. I never see that the whole place na AmTV. The whole place na AmTV say AmTV don't say Dive Sheila need the coach. Yes, I don't talk say Dive Sheila know the coach because of say I never see play where he coach man. Yes, maybe the videos and day, maybe she don't make 4 hours videos them. For me, but she don't watch all for that 4 hours video them. It's difficult at times. But the one the way I don't see them, now the one the way I make my decision, I make my conclusion on. The videos, the way I don't use them, the one the way I don't actually, she don't also watch them, I never see the coach. So if you be say I never really show play with the coach, now is that my problem? How is that my problem? How is that my problem? Where some people they go just be like say they want to let heaven will let loose. Heaven will let loose because if you don't say diversion I need the coach. Heaven will let loose because me I don't tell them diversion I need the coach. I not be part of waiting where on the do am. I not be part of any camp. I not be part of waiting. I just do na comedy for yeah. I do not just pure comedy, nothing attached. Some of them going to say I use more of diversion in the negative form. I use more of diversion in the negative form. I use more of diversion in the negative form because I see the energy where they produce them from that aspect. I feel like say if you play that aspect, fine. It just be like Mama G for Nigeria. They always put it for side in the plane and wish it. You know what I mean? Say that's a true picture of her. Idele Okanayo for Nigeria. They always act na parwe na ritualist. You know what I mean? That's a true picture of her, of him. Sorry. I don't know why there's some people then are just because of that negativity where we grow with them. It just stays our mind today. It don't really stick to our blood way. We are not see no positivity in anything for this world. It pass me. We not see any positive thing for this world, for anything we say for this world. The whole world don't let loose say, I'm TV, don't send diversion, I need a coach. Diversion, I need a coach. Ah, massa. Even if they get, I use the get. So, people, the way, they against the diversion. Man, ask una this question. Una say una they against the diversion. So, una feel say, if now, una be there with that diversion, position where they use it all time. So, it means say, fire for don't cash, no. Fire for don't cash. Fire for don't cash. Because only one statement where I even make and say this so another simple way the coach who not don't let everyone let loose. Everyone let loose. I don't talk for yeah. If you busy there with my platform, now will say you wanna say oh na MTV game I need to promote any of that violence or any of hate or any insult. I need to promote none of those things for my platform. My platform now will entertain people that I will make people they happy and that's all. Well, I know say some of we will just be born with a lot of hate in we and we just find a place where we go pour the hate. But my brother and my sister, if you be say now the problem that you face and it not still be too late. If you see if go find pastor they may they pray for you. Yeah, if you do answer if you say na normal thing, but you know say na some curse. Yeah, if you see be na some curse. Where you they undergo, you understand? No? Yes, some of you don't need know. Yes, so if you be full of negative energy, you get to check yourself. If you be say you live for this life all time, na negativity you think and we are hate. Na negativity you think and we are hate. Then you get to check yourself. You get to check yourself. You get to check yourself. Yes. Any man there for your own corner, you do your own thing. Yes, so you know go enter for somebody's space, create your own space day for day. You do you be a boss your own side. No go stand behind fake profile. If you say this, you do something because by the time someone go mean them. Me in particular, I feel mean them. Yes. When you temper with my brand, you temper with my reputation, if I mean I'm for your back, then we go meet. Yes. If you temper with a brand who I don't struggle for Bilam for since how many years, or you temper with my reputation, we have to be very careful. We have to be very careful. I don't run on media. You go see some things me help your brother them, you help your sister them. Me you did the one only negative energy. Some people them I not you know. Some people them are real game on them. I know lie. Some people them fear Cameroonians them, and I see it in only with Cameroonians them. Some people them if they really check them true so true so some people they no so no they work away witchcraft for under the belly. Their witchcraft. Yeah, like as I be the talk say this so before one the throw stone for some man, we try to check ourselves. Yeah. If it be where some people them or some person don't make mistake before, then we no use that mistake to crucify that person, but at least we get to tell that person, we get to come to that closer to that person, we try to see how if it be better than he passed. Yeah, so it applies to all of we. All we know be perfect. All we know, any man know himself. You know what you do away, you know say this so people they don't like him. Where they hurt to other people them. You know. So me know the kind of media can't be able to say no man no be saying. No man no be Jesus Christ. Any man make mistake. I talk for all those people where they feel like say because say I talk say this so another word say like insult we be say it be like say I don't kill a human being. Hacker. When I go try that means for my own platform so I know if it talk with me so I think for my own platform. When I try for this country, only negativity all our mind, negativity all our mind. Now he flop all our mind, negativity all side. In fact, one day God so could save we Cameroonians. Yes. Thank you, God bless. It talk very important. We celebrate that the people that are hating us. That is it. If it be say somebody hate you, you celebrate that person. You be say that person go look at le magic. You look and say, but this person who are the backstabby, this person who are hating so but what? Yes. So anyhow when people they think about me, and then I will give positive vibes and at the end. No take me attached and to wait negativity or waiting. I not be part of negativity and I will never be part of negativity. So if you do your thing or never you wait you concentrate for day. I hear so one can talk with again a one view. I need to find a view. If not there one view I can give me carry and go play you go Facebook. I need to understand how Facebook the work again. I need you to understand. They criticize Jesus, so what did he do? Yeah, my sister, my brother will call you. It just be they think they pass me. I'll see make shout out for the gossip vloggers and yeah, it be necessary. Yeah, I know go and not make a big shout out to our grand Kobolistic Kobos, Laugh and Learn Talk Show. Yeah, so if you want motivation, like Laugh and Learn Talk Show, now the best place for you. If you go check it on Facebook, Laugh and Learn Talk Show. Now our honorable sister Kobolistic Kobos, they handle that one. Yeah, then we also get Mama Atalaku Show. It talk about love and relationship stuff them. Yeah, so if you want watch love and relationship and all this intimate kind of stuff and going intimate with your partner, other kind of stuff, you want to get ideas and advise them, if you go check Mama Atalaku Show either for Facebook, I don't know what I do, YouTube. Yeah, then we also get this our sexy and beautiful sister Brenda Show. Yeah, it talk it motivate a motivational speaker too. Yeah, so if you want any motivation or you want to really get motivated in about this relationship, boys and girls, you want to break my heart, all that kind of stuff, if you go to check Brenda Show and Mama Atalaku Show then we also have for gossip vloggers we also have our honorable sister Dive Sheila, a channel named Travel with Grand Dive. Yeah, if you want to hear all gossip them for 237, you check out Dive Sheila on YouTube. I don't know what they do Facebook. Yeah, now YouTube Travel with Grand Dive. It do more of gossip vlogging. Yeah, then we also go for our sisters. So another one, they call Dopes Sarah. That a name they always had me for column. That a name they always had me for column. Yeah, the another one are Dopes Sarah. If you want check them out, you just go check them. Just go check us at the type and so. It's channel name at Dopes Sarah TV. Yeah, if you check it on YouTube, yeah, check it on YouTube, Dopes Sarah TV. And we get Lady B Billionaire, another person that to the user. His channel name na Lady B Billionaire. If you check it on Facebook and YouTube, we get who again? We get Hans Ayop. Yeah, na another gossip vloggers and that. If you check them out, they do more of gossip vlogging and way it happen for 237. And they really get to amazing content there. If you learn one or two things every day, no only check and say you go get only negative this in every day. So we also have who again wanna remind me now. I never remember all the okay, we also have Junior Marvin Nation on YouTube now, a young YouTuber where they come up. Now a young YouTuber where they come up. If you check it out, Marvin Nation on YouTube, it do amazing content and do for YouTube. Then for Bangkok, yeah, we get Lily Talk Show. I think so. Now Lily Talk Show with that talk show. Now okay, we get reality talk show with Lily Teo. Now they name that. Now motivational speaker, I be based on Bangkok here. Reality talk show with Lily Teo. If you check it on Facebook, and not check say already get YouTube. If you check it on Facebook, then we also have a Cameroonian brother for your way. They also do great by the name YouTube. The company studio. Yeah, you check it out. You check the company studio out for Pigeon Talk Show. They organize Pigeon show them. And the kind of stuff them very interesting which way they happen for our society. If you go check it out, yeah, if you also check, so another one don't come for comment section. Yeah, Hotbox. Yeah, if you check Hotbox and many others in there, if you be say your name never come through my mind, then I'll be very sorry. We'll get a lot of them where if you go check one, maybe at the end you will see the others because they always talk now about themselves. So now really good place for catch fun and for also relax your mind. Yeah, so we don't trash the thing them. So we not get so emotional. We not put emotions in everything we wanna see and for video the one they produce them because majority of my videos them are just comedy. I just cut them, join them together. You know they reflect any reality. Because if you go check into the real video where the person make them, then with that way talk. But because of comedy and if you cut them, join them for way it go make you laugh and it go make all of you laugh. They'll release stress. So we not attach no emotion, no feelings for what you are doing. Or let's say you be born with negative energy and hate for your belly. So anyway, if you be saying that so you be born, then you just need for signal Christ as a Kobo stop. You need Jesus. Yeah, so you don't need for just give yourself or give your life for Christ for see how Christ will help you. Yes, I hope so. We'll continue for the enjoy my video. Yeah, like I talked before and I still talk about yeah. If you feel say this so you come for this channel, you can see na curse or you can see na abuse or you can see na gossip. No, I think so you're in the wrong place. Yeah, so if you be say you know one can catch na phone for you, then just quietly carry yourself. Bye bye. Yeah, I remember with my 2 or my 3 people the way we'll be happy together with catch our phone, then we'll ride on. I think say we don't stay for here more than an hour. Yeah, so I'll leave una for now so that I go continue work because I don't leave a lot of work. We'll give a post video tomorrow, so I'll prepare for round up now. I appreciate all my video take time to watch me here today. and have a nice day to all.
Mettez ça sur internet.